Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be bringing you along for a day in the life of a stock market coach and an options trader. We got some cool stuff planned. The team's gonna be here today. We got a team meeting. We got Elite happening at 12 o'clock noon. Maybe we'll even close out some trades. We'll see. So we're bringing you along with us. Let's go.
Happy Friday, got treats.
Nice. What's in there?
Donuts. Want to peek? Do you guys want to peek too?
Sennheiser wireless mics, like these are like $600 mics and we never use them, but we're using them today. By the way, link in the description if you want to use the same mics that we use. Click the link. If anybody got kids, look at the Mickey Mouse premium cashmere sleep set. Okay, they only made 100 of these. This is actually number 1 of 100. The Walt Disney family called me and said, Jay Brown, I like what you're doing. We love the family. We love the whole vlog feel. Let me send you 1 of 100. I said, sorry, they're not paying me for this. This is not a sponsored placement. So you'll see the absolute ridiculousness start to come out here. We're gonna have a team day. We're gonna shoot some video day. We're going to do an elite in about 1.5 hours, and we're just gonna try to make dreams come true. Okay, should I put my feet on the desk like this? So really what I like to do every day, you know, before the market goes, obviously shower, get ready. I like to pull up the charts, kind of see where things ended yesterday. Then I like to get logged into the streaming charts and see how things are moving like today. So I'll check pre-market and say, what are some of these stocks doing pre-market? Most of the times for that, I'll go to CBS Market Watch, or I'll have my live streaming charts up and it'll also tell me what's happening pre-market, just so I can get a feel for how I believe the market is gonna open. Do I think we're gonna come out the gate with positive momentum or negative momentum or whatever the case may be? I'll check my trades that I'm in and see if I need to close anything out. So it's like, is there anything that's expiring today? We don't actually have any options that expire today. They expire next week. So there's nothing really to close out. But if I'm just so far in the profit, I might not wanna wait till next week. I might say, let's just shut it down today. And that's pretty much how the day will kick off. I'll usually just minimize this, and then it's like, okay, how can I go into the forum and respond to my members? So let's read this, let's check this out. He posted this on a Monday. He says, Jason Brown, just wanted to say that you're awesome. I believe I joined about 2 years ago after watching your YouTube video for about 3 weeks. I paid a lot of dinero joining another site for a year and it wasn't cool. I found Power Trades and it was on. I am a kinesiastic learner, learning by carrying out by the physical activity rather than by watching demonstration. So I wasn't sure if I would grasp the online teaching technique, but I was able to grasp and excel in this course. Also, the coaching is what brought everything together. So that's the live 2-hour weekly coachings. You have also navigated us through a pandemic, which I lost 24,000 in 2 days, and I was able to recover my losses in 2 weeks in another trade with you guiding us. Within the last 3 weeks, I have made a year's salary by following you in your course. My life is forever changed. I wanted to say it out loud. Thank you, my brother. That's what's up. I want to see if he is willing to jump on the podcast or something like that. So let me shoot him a message back. But love that. And then we get interrupted by Sheridan. No, this is a real day in the life, so let me pause this. All right, what's up?
It's just, I don't see the guest Wi-Fi.
Oh, I gotta turn it. See, you can't forget to turn on the guest Wi-Fi for the team. My bad. Should I stunt? Is that how people, hold on, here we go. This is how people stunt. This is so ridiculous. We're gonna cover up the Chinese mark. Here we go. Just don't ever fall for an Instagram baller. But you can't fake this. 2 monitors, the streaming deck buttons, 2 ring lights. That is a real diploma on the wall, okay? That is real. I worked hard for that. What we just did is only, 11:04 on Friday. We just closed out our rental property trade. And if you don't know what that means, basically it's a trade where I start to look at my money and say, should I go buy a rental house? Or is there a stock that I can buy and I can rent it out and get the same amount of money? So we just closed out our plug rental property. We got 2,000 shares. So the way I looked at it, I'm in around $60 a share. But the way I look at it is 2 $60,000 rental properties. And each property is collecting $2,000 in rent every month. We bought this and closed it out for 16 cents, but we initially sold it for like $2.30. So for people who don't understand math, what that simply means is when we sold it for about $2.30, we brought in $2,300 per 1,000 shares or per rental property. So brought in 2,300 and brought in 2,300 again. So it's about 4,600 in rent. And then I just bought it and closed it out for 15 cents, something I sold for $2.30, I bought back for 15 cents. So we basically kept $4,300 in rental income. And rent doesn't expire till next month, but we just decided to close it out early, bring the money home. Any real estate investors out there, y'all need to holler at me because this strategy is sick because there's nobody tearing up your house. There's no roof to replace. There's no leaky toilets to fix. There's no furnace to replace. None of that. It's literally computer money. Like click a few buttons, sit back, get paid. Now, I make it sound a little easier than that. You need to know what stocks to do it on, how to enter and how to exit it. But that's what we just did. We just bought it back for 16 cents and it's over. We brought that rental property home, baby. Banging away, responding to members in the forum. Nothing to see here, no, unless you're inside the forum. Ask me anything because today we are shooting behind the scenes and we're bringing you slightly a long way with us for behind the scenes of the behind the scenes. So ask me anything right here on Instagram. Okay, question for the team. Should Sheridan collect those questions and we do a segment where it's just like, all right, here's all the questions that came in on Instagram today. We just make that a video by itself. Yeah. Here's what we're doing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the home. We're going to be taking questions from our Instagram channel and I'm answering them live. I like it.
Okay.
We're actually getting ready for our elite trader session. So elite is like, what am I doing with this? Elite is our high-level mastermind. It's a 6 to 12 month high-level mastermind program where literally we do one-on-one game plans. We work through different strategies. We have weekly office hours, specialized trainings where we go more in depth with the strategies, everything. Talk about our trades, talk about any strategies, tactics, anything we need to manage, any moves or counter moves we need to make. And this is really the group that I just dive deeper with and make sure they have everything that they need on a more individualized basis to be successful with the stock market, and at bare minimum, make sure they understand what they're doing, the consequences of their decisions, how to minimize risk, and how to potentially look at, you know, the investments they're making to make sure they can, as Grant Cardone would say, 10x their potential profits. How are you guys doing today? So welcome to Friday. So how's everybody doing?
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new.
right, we just got to Bubba's 33, about to have a team lunch. Antonio's capturing the footage. Sheridan has the leopard print face mask.
Morning light on, I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my hand.
All right, it's the end of the day here on Friday. The market's about to close in about 3 minutes. So just taking a look at some of our positions and seeing how they're gonna close out, you can really see that things are actually getting bought up pretty well into the close. Let me bring my drawing tool up over here. This stock starting to get bought up going into the close. It's another one that we got a position in, really getting bought up into the close. You can see the volume just went crazy. But there's not really a whole lot to do. It's Friday, but still, I still like to watch how the market closed. I just like to know, like, did it close strong? Did it close weak? Did it close with a lot of selling happening? 2 more minutes, which means this last candlestick, we'll see how things finish up. It's like a horse race. It's like, ooh, 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 go, 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 it's going green. It's going green, go, come on. You know, it's like we got 1 minute left. You're trying to see, I wanted to close green. Why? Because it just makes me feel better. When it close bullish and I'm in the trade. Look at that, look at that, look at that, right? And so people are like, well, what's the excitement about watching colors on the screen? We're not just watching colors, we're literally watching money get printed. And that's why we get excited, because it's like, oh, 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 that's money, that's money. Oh, boom. So it just makes you feel better that money was coming in. And that's it, we done. The market is closed. All right, so there it is. You've been hanging out with me and my team for a day in the life. You got a chance to spend some time with us, see some behind the scenes, see some elite coverage. And I hope you enjoy hanging out with me and my team and spend some time with me in my home. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, hit the bell notifications, and be sure to check out our next video.
I got